thought we'd just come out here to town. It's nice and breezy out here. The thing is, it's really hot. It's like, what is it, like 28, what is it, degrees? 28 degrees or whatever, 29. But there's a nice breeze where we are right now, so it feels good. So yeah, we thought we'd come out and buy some water because I don't really trust water in all hotels. Well, you never know whether they just fill up the bottles again. So yeah, we thought we'd just look around and see if we can shop for a few things. Probably get some ice cream and stuff and see what we can find. Yeah, so seems like we found the market, so we're gonna take a walk and see what we can find. We might be able to find some memorabilia that we can take home with us. That's at the hotel. I asked for Bailey to give me what they call Irish milk. But it was like, it was just milk, like brown milk. So I managed to find me a place like a milk. I had to ask the girl, she's from this place, from Spain, or whether she's from London. She's from London, so I had to ask her for a podcast thing without offending her. Yes, it's like a proper English style pub. And this is the Bailey glass. Well, that's quite a few people. See them over there, Bailey, whatever they are. I don't know that. There's not quite a few people. I want to say that, they look kind of pretty too. That's what I'm saying, like, now I've got a proper glass and they're in this sparkling stuff. I don't even know what's going on. But yeah, it's nice, got coffee in it as well. I want to take some sparkling things out here, you know? I see everyone looking at me with their beards like, this ain't a man. I ain't supposed to be a man. But yeah, anyway, it's nice out here, nice and sunny. We're going to enjoy a couple of things. We're going to go and buy some ice cream. We're going to go and buy some water and stuff to take back to the hotel. I don't really trust water in other countries, to be honest. I don't think that water. I really buy my water. Yeah, Daria, what did you get? What's that?
Mojito. I guess mojito because I love mojito, but I regret this is not like a mojito at all. It tastes like lemon water, lime water. It doesn't taste like mojito. There is no crash ice, no lime.
She's not happy with her mojito at all. Yeah, she ain't happy with her mojito, but it's still a nice day, so we're still gonna chill out, have a few drinks, and might get her another drink. Yeah, we found our water, happy for that. Always have to make sure you're very hydrated in a hot country. Now I start getting dehydrated. I think I'm thirsty, but I'm not. I'm just dehydrated. Look at the price of that Smirnoff. You see the price? €12.50. Fucking hell, mate. Turn me cockney. £12.50 in London. That'd be like a big bottle like that. That'd be about at least what, 30, probably about £30. Hey, look at this one. Smirnoff vodka. What's that? €13. Man, that's some good prices, man. My bitch is bad and bougie. She's got to put on her Chanel to go food shopping. so we found another place and we found some Southern Comfort, so I think that's what I'm going for. This is a duty-free place. It says €11.95. Imagine that. Look how big the bottle is. What size is this? 1 litre. Man, this will cost a fortune. Even that would break my bank. I wouldn't be able to afford it in London. I'll have to do some real trading to buy a bottle like this in London. 1 litre of Grey Goose, €26. Syrup, 24 euros. I hope these drinks are real, you know. I don't want to go and be drinking no flavoured water. Yeah, I told the guy that if it's not real, I'm gonna bring it back. He asked how much a Southern Comfort is in this country, in my country, and I said about what, £30 for something like this. He said, okay, well if it's half real, you know, half price. Yeah, he said half price, half real, so it doesn't really matter. It's funny. So we had a good day, so we're just gonna have something to eat now and then make our way downstairs, watch the show. I think the show's gonna be a bit better because I bought some Southern Comfort today, and so that way we get proper drinks because all the drinks are watered down. I mean, that's how it is in all hotels. But you know, we've got the wristband here for all inclusive, but we're still buying our own alcohol. Like, that's crazy. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so what did I get? I got some rice and meat. What did Daria get? I'll show you what Daria got. What did you get?
Risotto and they don't know what it is.
Yeah.
I think some veggies with tomato sauce.
Yeah, so anyway, we're going to enjoy this. I ain't going to talk too much. I'm hungry. Yeah, then we're going to go downstairs and enjoy the show. So until next time, make sure you like, subscribe, and keep making money.